So in my second recipe for the lunchbox series, I have here protein packed delicious and aromatic kidney beans rice or rajma rice, that too made it in 15 minutes. I had just some pre-cooked rajma that we need to prepare early, and voila, this is ready within 15 to 20 minutes. Delicious protein packed healthy lunch or tiffin box recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page, do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this delicious recipe. For this recipe here, I have the rajma, that's kidney beans. I had soaked it for around 6 to 8 hours and then I have boiled it at night with some water and salt. That's it. This I'll be using. So for the recipe, I have heated some clarified butter or ghee, around 2 tablespoons, cinnamon sticks 1 goes in. Basically some whole dry spices I'll be using for tempering. Whatever you have you can use, but I have used cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom and bay leaves, that's it. And here I have used 1 medium size onion sliced and a pinch of salt to cook them. This is a recipe of 1 cup rice with 1 cup of boiled rajma. So if you increase the amount, you can increase the other ingredients. Once the onions are sauteed, I will add the ginger garlic paste, some chopped tomatoes goes in, and I will just cover the lid in low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes so that this tomatoes they soften and this spice paste gets nicely caramelized. It will just take 3 to 4 minutes because we have used quantity in very less amount. So once it's done, I'll be adding the dry spices, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder and some garam masala and 2 tablespoons of the boiled rajma water. In this recipe, this rajma water will give the color, texture and flavor. This spice paste is done, it's nicely roasted, and this is the rajma that I had cooked. You can see it's perfectly done. For this type of consistency, I had soaked this rajma and cooked it in high flame for 2 whistles and in low flame 2 whistles. That's it. And I had used around 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rajma so that I can get some rajma water, flavored rajma water that can be used for this rice. So I had soaked the rice half an hour before. This rice goes in once the masala paste is done. So 1 cup of rice, and for 1 cup of rice I'll use 1.25 cups of liquid. So already I had 1 cup of rajma water, 0.25 cups of normal water I'll be adding. And now some lemon juice goes in, slitted green chili and salt I had adjusted just a little bit, 2 to 3 pinch, because I had already boiled the rajma with salt. So if you require salt you can add, otherwise you can skip salt. Cover the lid, cook it in high flame for 1 whistle and reduce the flame to lowest. Cook it for 2 more minutes and switch off the flame, and once the pressure is gone, so let's open the lid, and I'll use a fork so that the excess steam it goes out, and this will help our rice to become more fluffier and it will be nicely separated. So it's done, the excess steam it has escaped, and now it's time to serve this delicious rajma rice in our tiffin or lunch box, or if you're in a mood to just cook something easy, this is it. And you can see how beautiful this rice has turned out. The rajma was already pre-cooked, hence it required very less cooking, and the rice it has absorbed all the flavors of the rajma. Protein packed, delicious, pressure cooked rajma rice is ready for lunch. I hope you will try this recipe and love the flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from the recipe white peas potato curry, or normally we call it gugni in India. And the comment says, nice explanation, thanks for this fast and easy recipe. So glad you like it. I mean, your username is just a little bit different, so glad you liked it. And yes, I often wish to share quick and easy recipes that will be blended in our day-to-day life. Thank you for noticing and letting me know. And for this today's recipe, easy peasy, my lunchbox series second recipe, I hope you have liked it. If you have loved the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow So's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.